The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the National Weather Service, and the White House. All stations will transmit this message. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the National
This is not a test. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large 8.9-mile wide asteroid was spotted headed towards the Earth at a speed of 0.04 light-years. At this time, it is reported that we only have about 2 minutes until the impact destroys the Earth. All human life will be lost. If you are religious, now is the time to pray. If you are with loved ones, tell your final goodbyes. Do not end yourself, especially if you are around children. We will now play the national anthem of the United States. God bless America.